हाय गाइस, वेलकम टू मैथीशियन। आज हमारे पास फिजिक्स का क्वेश्चन पेपर है पिछले साल का पंजाब बोर्ड का। ये कोई सैम्पल पेपर नहीं है, ये रियल क्वेश्चन पेपर है पंजाब बोर्ड का पिछले साल का। क्या पता बोर्ड इस वजह से भी अभी कोई क्वेश्चन डाल दे, तो एक बार रिविजन करना तो ये भी बनता है। चलिए देखते हैं इसके आंसर क्या है। तो फर्स्ट MCQ है हमारा, ए जनरल डायोड व्हेन वाइस्ड करेक्टली, इसका डी ऑप्शन करेक्ट है, हैज़ कांस्टेंट करंट अक्रॉस इट। और सेकंड MCQ, the energy band gap is maximum in insulator. On increasing the forward voltage of the forward biased PN junction diode, its junction resistance decrease. B ऑप्शन आएगा। फोर्थ MCQ है, चार्जिंग विदाउट फिजिकल कॉन्टैक्ट इज कॉल्ड चार्जिंग बाय इंडक्शन। फिफ्थ MCQ है, when one electron is placed near another electron at a distance of that, then the electrostatic potential energy of the system is B option. Sixth MCQ है, resistivity of a wire depends on its material. Seventh है, the instrument for the accurate measurement of the EMF of a cell is potentiometer. Angle between the magnetic axis and the geographic axis is known as magnetic declination. Ninth है, magnetic effect of current was discovered by Oersted. A charged particle enter with some speed at 30 degree to the magnetic field. Its path will be helical. The dimensional formula of the magnetic field intensity is C option. Lenz's law is the consequence of conservation of energy. X-ray are not used for radar purpose because they are not reflected by target. In Earth's atmosphere, ozone layer lies in stratosphere. Total internal reflection takes place when light travels from the focal length of concave lens is 20 cm. Its power is -5D. C option. According to Rayleigh, intensity of scattered light I varies with wavelength that B option. 18th है, the wavefront due to a source situated at infinity is planar आएगा इसका। The minimum energy required to remove an electron from the metal surface is called work junction. When cathode rays are intercepted by matter, then heat is produced. The unit of Planck's constant are joules second. During alpha decay, mass number dash by dash, C option, decreases 4. For hydrogen atom, which of the following radiation series is found in the visible region? Balmer series. और ट्रू फॉल्स है, as a unit of magnetic flux is Bevel. True आएगा। LED works under reverse bias condition. False. Apparent depth in the water is greater than the real depth. False. The refractive index of the water is 1.5. False. The SI unit of mutual inductance is Henry. True.